Today, I'll be showing a home remedy to get rid of dandruff, itchy scalp, flaky scalp very fast. So we'll be needing just 2 ingredients. I'll be using ginger and olive oil for this home remedy. This home remedy is very easy to do. All you need is just your ginger and olive oil. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll go ahead and wash my ginger. After washing the ginger, I'm just going to grate it. So now I have my grated ginger. The next step is to put a pan on fire and add in my olive oil. I'll be making use of a very low heat to make this DIY. The fire should not be too much under the pan. So after adding the oil and the oil gets hot, I'm going to add in the ginger and give it a stir for like 1 minute. After stirring it for 1 minute, I just let it just simmer for 10 minutes. I'm trying to infuse the ginger into the oil. So I'm going to set it on fire. Remember, we are using low heat for this DIY. I'll let it simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm just going to turn off the heat and bring down the oil. I'm just going to sieve out the ginger from the oil, and our home remedy for getting rid of dandruff and itchy scalp is ready. If you have any question concerning this DIY, you can ask in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop your comments. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.